For 45 years, the toucan was as an important motif as the Guinness harp, recognised the world over for its ability to balance a pint on their multicolored beak. Rinse an Amarena cherry with water. Chill a liqueur glass and put to one side. Collect a mixing glass and fill with cubed ice. Add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters that will bind all of the other ingredients together. Green Chartreuse is a historic French liqueur which has a very distinctive spicy and herbal flavour. Frengelico's distinctive taste comes from a specific species of hazelnut, Tonda gentile, that grow in the northern Italian region of Piedmont where it is produced. Dolin Rouge brings Christmas spices, quince and stewed fruits. Bushmills Black Bush is one of Ireland's most well-known blended whiskies that features a high proportion of sherried single malt before being married with the caramel characteristics of grain whiskey. Stir for 15 to 20 seconds. Dip taste. Empty ice from the Nicanora glass. Pour. Carefully drop the Amarena cherry into the finished drink. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.